Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the Makhumalo fans are going crazy right now because angithi on the trailer we see uMusa and uSamke. It looks like they are out on a date at the spa, and uMusa is saying to uSamke bakhalile ngokuthi thina siyaposta. uSamke then says ayibo ku Instagram wami ngefoni yami ngedatha lami. So obviously guys, we're gonna have to watch the episode to get context, because you know these trailers and fooling us. But anyway, people are out there in the comment section saying ukuthi yazi uMakhumalo, she said she wanted nothing to do with uSamke, but she's the one who's complaining. People are automatically assuming that uMusa is speaking about uMakhumalo, that uMakhumalo is the one who was complaining, saying ukuthi uSamke is posting too much on Instagram. Now the Makhumalo fans are like, ayibo ninjwayela kabi uMakhumalo, niyamazi ukuthi uMusa lies a lot. Why are you all pinning it on uMakhumalo in ini? Now the reason why some people are pinning it on uMakhumalo is because on last night's episode uMusa revealed that uMakhumalo was the one asking about umcimbi that was going on kwaKhwela. uMakhwela even called uMakhumalo and her family monitoring spirits. Hi guys, I just think whoever said this, if it's any of the wives, they are doing too much. Listen, yes, I did say that uSamke needs to humble herself so that so that this process doesn't take long, because I mean uMusa is sick already. How long is uSamke gonna have to wait for in order for her to fully become umakoti kwaMseleko? If it really is the wives, guys, know they're doing too much. You can't now want to control what uSamke is posting, or do they feel like the things uSamke is posting is what do they want from her? It's new love, guys. Yes, uSamke might be living in a bubble, but let her enjoy it, guys. For this short time, we all know ukuthi uMusa uzowenza adume ngazo and do to uSamke what is done to his previous wife. But for now, guys, I don't understand what's the big fuss of trying to control what uSamke posts online. Like, I just think with all the wives, it's apparent. But they said Uti, they don't care whether uMusa takes another wife. They do care, because they do bring up uSamke, or the things uMusa said about uSamke. They bring it up occasionally. So whether you want to accept it or not, it is going to affect them, you guys. I probably think if there's any of the wives who said anything about uSamke's posting, probably could be uMangwabe and uMakhumalo, you guys. Other people were even saying with uMakhumalo, hey, imali is getting too much to her head. Does money make her god? Guys, saying all these things. Let's just wait for the episode to play, guys, before we go ahead and crucify uMakhumalo. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.